Hello friends, welcome to Yam Cook. Today I am going to make a very simple chana masala. The required ingredients are the black chana 1 cup. The cooked I soaked for 5 hours and after that I boiled it with pressure cooking 5 whistle. I have this 2 cups of boiled chana dal and whole garam masala, bay leaves and half spoon fennel seeds, cinnamon sticks and cashew nuts four and clove, star anise and cardamom. These things and turmeric powder quarter teaspoon, coriander and chili powder 1 spoon for grinding, big onion, red onion, the whole red onion and 1 tomato and ginger and garlic and some coriander seeds. Let's get started how to make it. So here I have my pan. It's nice and hot. I'm going to add 1 spoon of oil, sesame oil into it. And the oil is nice and hot now. Now I'm adding all my garam masala, whole garam masala. It's fried nicely. Now I'm going to add my onion. Onion and ginger garlic. I'm going to fry this until golden brown. It will take 5 minutes. Add some salt into it and it will cook fastly compared to without adding salt. Now the onion cooked completely. It's nice and brown. So it's time to add our masala powders. I'm not adding any masala, garam masala powder since I have added whole garam masala already. So now I'm adding turmeric powder and red chili powder and coriander powder. Mix it nicely. Let them coated with oil. It should be in the medium flame only. It should not be in the high flame when you fry this. And now it's time to add our tomato. Once the tomato is mushy, we can grind this to a nice paste. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to the tomato gets cooked. So let's wait for a minute. Now the onion and tomato mixture cooked completely. So now let's switch off the flame. Let it cool down for 5 minutes and after that we need to grind this to a nice paste. Now this mixture cooled down a bit. I'm going to grind this to a nice paste with my blender. Now the paste is ready. I already kept my small cooker into the stove. So I'm going to cook this chana dal into my cooker for 10 minutes. My cooker is nice and hot now. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Your choice of oil, whatever want to prefer, you can use it. I'm going to add sesame oil now, a tablespoon of sesame oil. Yeah, it's hot now, so I'm going to add 2 bay leaves. It's splatter now. Now I'm adding my mixture. It's boiling now. Now it's time to add our boiled chickpeas. In this time we need to check the salt. I already put half a tablespoon of salt, so I checked it, it's fine. So now I'm going to close the lid off. I closed the lid on and I put the whistle. We need to put 1 to 2 whistle. That is good enough because already we boiled our chickpeas. So it's 1 to 2 whistle is good enough to have the nice chana masala. Let's see once it is cooked. Yeah, now it is ready. I kept 2 whistles and I opened the lid and I kept it for 5 minutes. Now the oil, if you see, the oil got separated. I did not add too much oil, so it is not floating too much, but a little bit got separated. So I'm going to switch off the flame. I added some coriander leaves just a minute before, if you see this. Yeah, now our tasty and very quick chana masala is ready. Please do try this recipe in your home. It will goes well with rice and chapati and puri. So friends, please try this recipe. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Bye.